Hi students, good morning. Today we are going to learn about a tiger in the zoo. A tiger in the zoo. This is the third poem. We are going to learn about that. First, before we are going to learn the poem, we want to learn about the tiger. Tiger is one of the animal in cat family. Okay, tiger is the one of the animal in cat family. This is one of the endangered species. Okay, in the olden days, kings and hunters and some other people hunting the animals, hunting the tiger for hobby also. Kings are they are hunting the tiger for hobby. Some other people, the Chinese people, are hunting the tiger for medicine. So now we are saving the tiger. Okay, next we are hunting the tiger for skin, bone, and oil or some other things. Next this is next we are using the tiger for ring master. The ring masters are using the tiger for the show. For the show they are using. When they capture the tiger, they put it into the cage. After that the tiger is helpless. But if the tiger is in the forest, it is a king, like a lion. This is also powerful animal. It is hunting the animal, waiting for the prey, and the next hunting the animal, eating. It is enjoying in the forest. All the animals and human being fear about the tiger, but if we are put the tiger into the cage, it is helpless. If the tiger is in the forest, it is a free bird, but if you are put in the cage, the caged bird. Okay, yes, some visitors are making angry the tiger. It is disturbed by the visitors in the zoo. Okay, so now we are going to learn about tiger in the zoo. The first stanza. He stalks in his vivid stripes. The few steps of his cage on pads of velvet quiet in his quiet rag. So the tiger in the first stanza, how the tiger is in the zoo. They are telling about the tiger in the zoo. Okay, as he stalks on his vivid stripes. The tiger is a large animal, fearful animal, most powerful animal. It is in the cat family. Okay. Next, it is vivid stripes. Stripes means lines. So on the tiger, so two lines are there, yellow line and a black line. Okay, vivid stripes. A few steps of the cage. The tiger is walking in the cage. Yes, really, he is the king of the jungle, but it caught by some of the people and put it in the cage. Because of that, it is walking in the zoo. It is walking steps, a few steps in the cage. In the cage, it is walking. Yes, and then next, on pads of velvet quiet. Yes, the feet, velvet quiet, yellow bright confident. Next, walk proudly in the enclosed. The bats on pads of velvet quiet. Okay, pads, feet of the tiger is looking like a velvet, very soft cushion in his quiet rag. So in the cage, in the zoo, the tiger how react? First, yellow and black stripes, it is walking slowly. A few steps of the cage, and then next the velvet, the feet is velvet quiet. Okay, yes, first stanza over, and the next is second stanza. He should be lurking in shadow. This is telling about the forest. First stanza zoo, second stanza in forest. He should be lurking means hide. Okay, yes, when the tiger is going to catch the prey, hunt the animal, it is lurking, hide in shadow. There is more grasses and trees and bushes in the west. Everywhere it is hiding. Sliding through long grass. Okay, near the pool. Okay, lake or pool or near the pool, there is more grasses. In the grasses, the tiger is hiding. Why? Because it want to catch the prey. Okay, near the water pool. Okay, yes, kulam kuttai. Yes, near the water pool it is waiting because some animals come to drink the water. They want to quench the thirsty. So the tiger is waiting near the pool, where plump deer pass. Where the plump deer fat, fat deer pass. So he should be lurking in shadow, hiding in shadow, sliding through long grass, and near the water hole where plump deer. Yes, a fat deer come and drink the water. On the time, the tiger will attack the deer. So second stanza, that's all. Then third stanza, he should be snarling around houses. Yes, this is not in zoo. Yes, nearby the forest, some villages are there. In the villages, the tiger will come for prey. Okay, in the forest, most of the forest are occupied by the human being. So the tiger is coming to inside the village. He should be snarling around. It is making sound, garjane, snarling around houses, village houses at the jungle edge. Yes, nearby the forest, jungle edge, end of the forest, jungle edge, bearing his white fangs, his claws, terrorizing the village. When the people are looking the tiger, yes, his claws, nails, tiger's claws and fangs, making fear, terrorizing the village. Yes, he should be snarling. Yes, when the tiger roaming the village in night time or daytime. Okay, snarling the village, house by house, at the jungle's edge, end of the jungle, burying his white fang, as teeth. Okay, tiger's teeth and claws, making fear of the people. When the people are looking the teeth and the gloves of the tiger, they are feared about the tiger. Okay, that's all. The third stanza over. Then the fourth stanza, but he is locked in concrete cell. Yeah, this stanza is telling about the tiger in the zoo. Yes, but he is locked in a concrete cell. Yes, now the tiger is where they catch it and put it in the cage. Yes, his strength behind the bar. There are so many bars, irumbu kambi. Yes, his strength behind bars, stacking the length of his cage. Ignore visitors. So tiger is a powerful animal, but it is put it in the cage and locked. So many visitors are visiting, but the tiger is not ready to visit the visitor. Look at the visitor. Yes, but he is locked in the concrete cell. Yes, again I am explaining. But he is locked in a concrete cell. They put it in the cage. His strength behind the bars. Bars here mention iron bars. Okay, yes, behind the bars, stalking the length of his cage. Yes, it is walking. The tiger is walking, going left and right or front and back. Okay, walking in the cage, ignoring visitor. It is not. Okay, the tiger is not care about the visitor. Those are coming to look at him. Yes, he is not feeling about the visitor. He is doing the work of himself. Last stanza. He hear the last voice at night when the patrolling cars and the stars with his brilliant eyes at the brilliant stars. Yes, in the zoo, when the tiger is in the zoo, the tiger is listening a voice at night daily, regularly, as police car, patrolling car. The patrolling car making sound. We know about that because we are hearing many times. at stars with his brilliant eyes. At star with his brilliant eyes. With his eyes, the tigers are looking the stars at the brilliant star. The tiger's eyes also glittering like a star. With the help of the eye, the tiger is looking the brilliant stars. This poem was written by Leslie Norris. The author name is Leslie Norris. He was born in 1921, died in 2006. Okay. Yes, he was born in the place of Wales. That's one of the tiger in the poem. Afternoon we can learn next lesson. Thank you.